Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be some deep clean motivation, but I'm going to be focusing on cleaning our floors. I have heavy stains from high traffic areas in our home, especially on our stairs, and then I'm also going to be showing you how I use my steam mop to clean our carpet, our couches, and just the tile in general. And I'm also going to show you how I removed a lot of these stains on our stairs just using some very simple products. So let's get started. I'm going to be starting with our stairs. This is the most noticeable area with all these really dark stains from foot traffic. So I'm going to start off by just vacuuming the entire stairs using my Dyson V7, and I'm just using this smaller attachment just to get the little nooks and cranny areas cleaned up. There's just a lot of hair and stuff that gets caught in there, so I'm going to get that vacuumed up first. What I'm going to be using on our carpets today is something that is just so simple and easy to find. I'm going to be using this vinegar window cleaner. This is from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm also going to be using just some regular dish soap. This is from Mrs. Meyer's, and then a couple of these brushes. So these brushes, one is actually meant for dishes, but I like to use it on our couches and the floors. And these are both from Grow Collaborative, and I always have a link in my description if you want to try them out. You get a free 5-piece gift set. But this is all I'm going to be using on our stairs. So I literally just spray the area down with the vinegar spray, and again, this is just glass cleaner. And then I'm also going to just use dish soap directly on the brush and on the carpet. I did test an area out first, so I definitely recommend, if you try this, do it in a small area that you can't really see well, just to make sure it works on your carpet. So I'm just going to use the brush and just scrub away, basically just kind of hand shampooing our carpet. This is a very affordable way to clean. It's also super easy and there's no chemicals to it. So I am using gloves, but this is just because I had a lot of work to do and I just wanted to protect my hands just from all the scrubbing I was going to do.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you?
If this is your first time to my channel, I would love to welcome you here. Let me know in the comments that you're new. And if you would like to see more cleaning videos or lifestyle videos, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell. It's just a free way to remind you when I post videos. And again, let me know in the comments if you're new.
Where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow.
And as you can see, it is starting to work really well. I was really surprised how well this actually worked. I wasn't too sure. I did have some actual carpet cleaner on hand, but I wanted to show you guys a cleaner, more efficient way to do this. And those chemicals are just so harsh. I don't like to use them too often. So this actually works really, really well, and it is a great thing to touch up on if you have traffic marks, like heavy traffic marks like us. It did take a while to do, but they are looking so much better now.
To give me things I never needed, gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow.
Now on these two steps that are a little bit bigger, I'm going to also use my steam mop. And this mop I found on Amazon. I will leave it down in the description below if you want to check it out. I got it on Amazon Prime Day, so I think it is about $10 more now, but I would easily pay the full price for it. I absolutely love this thing. The only thing I would suggest is to also order more pads with it, because it only comes with 2, and if you have a big area to clean, you're gonna need more than 2, so just a heads up there. But I wanted to cover this area a little bit better, so I'm going to steam mop this as well.
We can go where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted.
Here on my channel, I really like to show you guys before and afters, so I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently. Usually I wait till the end to do the before and after, but I'm going to show you per section in this video. So here is the before and after of the stairs.
Forever, I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little?
Now the other very heavy traffic area in our home is our front bathroom, and then just the hallway and the family room area, because we're running around. My daughter is playing in this area most of the day, and we are just constantly walking in this area. So I'm going to start off by vacuuming and mopping our bathroom, and then also the hallway. Promise that I will stand. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quickly the living room, and our couches definitely need a good vacuuming. I'm also going to steam mop these. Lots of crumbs. And the floor I did steam mop a couple weeks ago, but I'm going to do it again and show you because there's probably some new messes here. And I'm also going to clean this area up.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight.
So I actually like to steam clean our couches as well. It is a really quick way to get them nice and clean again. I usually just use dish soap and a brush to scrub them down, but they weren't too bad. I just wanted to make sure it was cleaned nice and evenly, so that's why I'm steaming these. And I also wanted to show you that you could do this if you have microfiber couches. Again, you should always test first, but these work for ours, and it's such a fun and quick way to really deep clean them.
I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you.
So I just moved those couches out of the way, and I'm going to vacuum this area and then steam mop the area as well. As you saw before on the stairs, the steam mop works on carpet. There is a little guide that you just stick it on top of, and it just helps the mop glide across the carpet, and also, as you saw, the couches. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to refill this. I'm just using some distilled water, and it comes with this little cup, and then just pour it in, and that is it. There's no soap, no chemicals, it's just water. So I let the carpet dry off for about 20 minutes, and then I moved the couches back, and I just wanted to go over it again with the vacuum, and just to put some nice vacuum lines on there, and then put the pillows back on. So again, here's the before of this living room area, and then the after. I really hope this video gave you a ton of cleaning motivation and possibly some new ideas to clean up your carpets or your stairs or even your couches. Let me know in the comments if you decide to try this technique or if you decide to try the steam mop. I definitely recommend it. I love it. It is my new best clean friend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.